Hi. Today, we will see how to implement a toggle button, or a switch button, in a React Native Android app. So, I have opened the app.js file here. These are the imports. First, we use the useState hook function, which gives us two values. One is a variable called isEnabled. And the other one is a setter function called setEnabled. This function will be used to modify the state of that variable. The default value of the isEnabled variable is false. Then, we create the UI. Here, we create a row component using a style component that we will see later. Inside the row, first, we have a text component. Depending upon if the switch button is on or off, we will show a text accordingly. And to its right-hand side, we will have this switch button. When the button is clicked, the onValueChanged function gets called. Here we toggle the value of our variable using its setter function. And then, depending upon if the switch is on or off, we configure the thumb and track colors of the switch button. Now, these are all the style components that we have used in our UI. The container style is used at the very top, in the view component, and gets applied to the entire page. We keep the page color whitish. And keep all the UI components at the center of the screen. This is the style for the switch button. When the switch is turned on, we increase its size a little bit. And this is the row style. Here, we keep the flex direction as row, so that all the components inside it are aligned horizontally, one near the other. Then we keep align items in the center, so that all the components seem on the same base level. And also, we keep some gap between the components. Okay. Now, let's run the app. As you can see, we have a switch button at the center of the screen. And the on text is written near it. When I toggle the button on, its colors change. And also, the text is now off. So that's it. The link to download this code is given in the description box under this video. Thanks for watching.